Welcome to the quick tour on SALMA for TFS. Get started with opening any Microsoft Word document, the contents of which you are going to use in your TFS projects. It can be the approved version of the business requirements, specification, or any other document. Open the SALMA tab with the previously installed Microsoft Word edition and enter the URL address of the TFS server. Click Connect. While connecting, System verifies the access of your Windows account to the TFS projects. Then select the collection of the projects and the project. There can be several projects available for you. The next step is creating a work item. Let's, for example, use the requirement number 1 of the given document. Select the fragment of the text to use it as a work item title and click Create. Select the work item type and edit its name if necessary. Click Create. Information on the created work item appears in the form of a comment with the following attributes: ID, created by, type, title, status, and project. To add details to work items, select the text fragment in the document, click the Add Details button, select the requirement from the ones present in this document, or search for the work item by ID. Specify the field of the work item where we want to add the description and click Add. The added details are also displayed as comments on the margins of the document. To view the element on the TFS web client, click its ID within the comment. You can add as details any content of the document, either formatted text, table, graphics, or image. By means of SALMA, you can also interlink elements from the document or link to external elements or resources. To link the work items within the project, select the element in the document and click Link. Select the target element and the type of the link. The new attribute link appears in the element's comment. With SALMA, you can keep track of the latest changes of the work item state. Let's, for example, change the state of the work item from To Do into In Progress. Go back to our Word document and click Update. The state of all of the work items refreshes, reflecting all the changes. If you need to concentrate on the contents of the document and hide the comments, you can easily do it by clicking Show Comments. To expand the comments, click this button again. To create a report on the basis of the TFS work items, open a new document or use the current one. Select the necessary project and click Generate Report. You can generate report on the basis of the work item IDs or the list of queries available on TFS. Let's create the report based on existing TFS query. Select the Query All Requirements Tree view. Then specify the contents of the report. Heading is always populated with the work item title. In the Metadata section, specify the attributes to be displayed in the report. The attributes present in the query settings are included by default. You can exclude them from the report if necessary. For example, you want only ID, state, and work item type. Elements details are displayed like a regular text in the document. Since the query can contain different types of elements with different types of details, you can select the details you want. Let's select Description for our requirements. To include attachments to your report, select the corresponding option. Attachments are achieved and added to the document. Click Insert. So your report contains all requirements of the project, their descriptions and attachments. Please note that the hierarchy of the document's headings corresponds to the one of the TFS items. You can see it by turning on the navigation pane on the View tab. Moreover, you can save your time by reusing the data extracted from the TFS for the other projects. To do it, just select another project and create the new work item on the basis of the report fragments. Traceability metrics for analyzing the correlations between the work items is one more useful tool for the project manager. Let's, for example, check if the requirements are covered by the test cases. Select Requirements for the column and Test Case for the row. Click Insert. The columns are populated with the element titles, ID with the link and state. The rows are populated with the work item ID and state. Or you can create the metrics illustrating relation between the completed requirements and open box.